Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna be making another video. Sure. Yeah, sorry but my voice is so cracky. It's always cracky in the morning. And then, like, whenever it gets cracky, I start, like, sounding like a girl, and it's just like, oh, why? Well, the person wants to trade me, and I've been really, I don't know. And I'm just here with a random person, and yeah. Okay, sorry about that. So what are we gonna do here? Trade me, person, trade me. I think I'm gonna be a squeaker now because, like, my cousin showed me how to be a squeaker, so I'm gonna try it. I can't do it. Good job. No. Dude, no, that's not a good enough offer. I don't think so, because I don't know. Just because I really like this pirate sword. Anyways. Crazy enough to have an impact. It feels like 18 in Brisbane, Mary. It feels like 20 in Marysville. And it feels like 19 in Lancaster and Columbus right now. Winds will be about 5 to 10 miles an hour as we head through the day. Should plan your day. 39 by noon. Could I get it for something else? Because I won't take it for my sword. I really won't, because I won't even take a full set of armor for my sword. The sword I'm wearing! What could I trade you for that? Oh no, I wasn't supposed to do that, darn it. Don't I have pretty cool stuff? I know, I have a lot of stuff. Where did it go? Oh my goodness, I did not lose. Oh, phew. Want freedom band and gosh, stupid computer, I hate you. Sorry, you might hear my TV right there. Oh god, that's, oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay, not this. Definitely not this. Not this. Pick on trade. They're all rares, so I don't know how I got rares. So yeah, people are now being stupid because nobody knows where they can find scarves, and I just found out a couple days ago. So that's why I have so many, because members are so dumb that they traded me all these rares just for my scarves.
Just 4 months. Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious, sometimes fatal infections and cancers, including lymphoma, have happened, as have blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and new or worsening heart failure. Before treatment, get tested for TB.
Okay.
Tell your doctor if you've been to areas where certain fungal infections are common, and if you've had
Sorry, I have this problem where when I type, I have to say it out loud for me to remember.
Ask your dermatologist about Humira, because with Humira, clear
Ooh, that actually looks really cool. Wait, it's one of the first ones I had. Yep, because somebody traded me it for 3 holiday sweaters. Lifestyle contributor Elizabeth, good morning. Great to see you. You've got some great mail order things that we still have time to get them shipped to. Did she just say? Oh my gosh! Didn't she just? I'm sorry. I don't want to trade you now. Goodbye. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't want to because you make me so mad. You make me mad. Anyways, I don't even have water guy thing. I don't even have a water. But I am getting to be a member, so you know. There is really something wrong with my voice because it's cracking. Because I don't sound like this. I really don't. No thing. Ooh, yeah. Sure. Wait, where'd it go? Oh yeah, it's water. Oh my gosh. You're so mean. Give me that back. Give me. I hate you. I really, really hate you. You understand? I hate you. I know, I'm just kidding, just kidding. Oops. Just kidding. I'm leaving. No, I'm just kidding. I'm seriously leaving. Who's on? The Delta. The Delta is a YouTuber I know called. So you can get this. It comes in a gift box of 3 dozen cookies and it's $35. I don't want it. So this is from a delicious bakery. Now I really don't want it. Why did I get it and I really don't want it? Why? Why, Jeremy? Why? The Delta, her real name is Delta Cool. Delta Cool. So go subscribe to her on YouTube, by the way. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Nope, no thanks. Nope. So these are brand new chairs. I have to give credit for finding these to my friend the Davies because they search the best products anywhere. But these chairs are used in the very best restaurants throughout America, throughout the world. They're from France. They're brand new chairs. They go in Manhattan. They're delicious on ice cream. They're fantastic. And then you get to King Bean Coffee Roasters. Tell me about what they're offering. Okay, so King Bean is the guy who started this. I'm gonna get her. It's Loud something. Nope. I still won't wear. And he has these artisanal coffees, King Bean. It's $32.99 for a box of 3. They're absolutely delicious. So for the coffee roaster, that's great. And he's actually in South Carolina too. She trades me no rare. I'm going to seriously. No, I'm about to say, don't you dare. I'm just gonna be a really awesomeness bunny here because I'm wearing a fox hat and I'm all white because I'm awesome. I do not sound like myself. Nope. I am so sorry. I want rare. I want rare for. I want rare. I want rare. Please. Just please. I traded you rare for that. And with every purchase, you'll earn unlimited double miles. Now we're getting somewhere. What's in your wallet? She sees the world a little differently. Huh? By some miracle, what? I don't take bat wings. You know why? You don't. I won't. Can you just trade me a lame rare for that armor? Armor?
We launched our NBC4 tip line, and already it has made a huge
What
difference.
armor?
Washington Township ambulance was not there.
Bridge
Morgan Ellison suffered a
No.
profound fracture. After our story, the fire department changed procedure.
Sorry.
Neighbors in North Linden reached out to NBC4 to deal with this. White. A day after our story, city inspectors were writing up homes as public hazards. Send us a tip at investigate at NBC4i.com. Here for you. Monday, they're going to do this thing with the finale 1 week away. Which voice are you voting for? The hard dog, the hipster, the tattooed teacher, the TSA officer, or the comeback king? This is an old. We'll see how it works out.
I traded you. Oh my. You freaking scammer. I hate you. You. Holds back, holds back, holds back. Dude. Really?
It's time for family. It's time for parties. It's time for your house.
Fine, I want my rare back. Thank you very much. Give me my rare back, bro. I don't trust you. No more trades for you. No more trades for you. Okay, I gotta go bye. And I'm back, guys. And sorry about what happened. Somebody wanted me, and then I had to restart the freaking computer because someone had to turn off the internet.
Honey, we need to talk about Look, I'm willing to wait.
Yeah, somebody did turn off the freaking internet. I'm gonna beat that person up. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I do really have a cracky voice this morning.
It would develop human emotions. Hey, buddy.
Control your entire home with one simple app. Introducing Wink. It's like a robot.
Oh yeah, did I tell you that somebody traded me that balloon right there? Don't you dare put the, but it better be a rare because I am all about these rares. No rare. If there's no rares, oh gosh, I really have a cracky voice this morning. Come on, come on, come on. You gotta trade me. You know you want to trade me. You know, I really hate trading now. Even though I'm the boss at trading, because I mean, it is on my trade. Oh, it's not. I knew that.
Football has a season. Baseball has a season. This is our season.
I'm gonna catch myself on fire. Oh gosh. I only make videos in the morning because I upload them at the end of the day. Sorry, don't I have that? Don't I have that? No, I don't. That's weird. I thought I did. No, it's not. Because it's easy for me to win one of those I can get that from a friend, you know. Like, there's this really good friend of mine that gave me this fox hat. I was so happy. I was like, for free? Wow, thank you! I'm just gonna sit here and look. A rare warm blankets. I already have one of these. And is this purple? Really? Really? Purple? I'm not very sure about this purple sweater, you know. I'm not very sure.
Make the world a better place and your home a more comfortable place. Here is contemporary furniture. Lane Avenue, just west of Route 15.
Stuff your stockings with savings during Menards Christmas sale. Right now, all Bosch, Skill, and Dremel power tool accessories are on sale. This 119-piece set includes drill bits, drive bits, and nut drivers. Just $14.97.
You have purple on, you dim-witted little girl. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I'm running away. Wee! Oh god, so my voice is so hard.